Welcome to a District Applications Training and Support self-help video. In this video, we'll look at Aeries and how parents can log into their parent portal to confirm their student data. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take the parent to this URL that you see here on the screen. I'll paste that into the browsing window, which will take us to the Aeries parent portal window, and they're going to log in with an email address that they had registered with Aeries when signing up for the parent account. They enter that email address in and click on Next, and then they enter their password for that and click on Sign In. Once logged in, the parent will see that their account name is up here in the upper right, signifying they're logged in. More importantly, we'll see this yellow banner that stretches across the top of the portal window, and this is where they'll want to click to get to the data confirmation section that we're going to look at. Now, just in case they don't see that or they came to it once before, you can go into the student info menu and choose data confirmation there as well. Keep that in mind. We'll go ahead and click here in the yellow banner. Okay, once into the parent confirmation area here, we're going to work with 4 tabs in total, the first one being the Family Information tab. And initial question, you'll want to select whether or not at least one parent or guardian is in the United Armed Forces or not, and I'll have selected no in this case. Please select one of the following options to complete the residency survey is the second question, and you can go through those. The parent would read through those and see which ones are applicable or not. In this case, I'll choose none of the above, and then you do have to click on the Confirm and Continue button. In the second tab for documents, there's a number of PDFs linked here that the user would click to open up and read that document, and then upon reading the document would close the window, returning back here to this window and placing a check mark next to Reviewed for that document. And they will repeat that process, reading each PDF document made available and checking Review along the side for each document that's reviewed. After reading and reviewing all the documents in the list, you would then click on the Confirm and Continue button. The next tab is called Authorizations, and it maintains a number of authorizations that the parent will want to carefully read through and select the appropriate answer that they feel about that particular authorization. So there are a number of them here, and they will simply read down the page answering yes or no to these authorizations. After doing that, there is a Save button at the bottom. After selecting all the authorizations at the bottom, you'll select Save, and then you'll click on the Continue button. Now the parent will click on the Finish and Submit button. The final data confirmation tab now has a Print New Emergency Card button. The parent will click on the Print New Emergency Card button and go through the printing process. The parent signs the final data confirmation page and returns it to the school on registration day. Site admins can run a quick report to find out which students do not have data confirmed. In the Reports portion of Aeries, type Confirmation in the filter, and that'll quickly get you to the Parent Confirmation report. And click that open and run a quick report. Perhaps only students without all data is selected by student name should be fine, and run the report, and you'll have a report in your hands about which students have not come through with their data confirmation.